It has been alleged, I'm not saying that is the truth, it has been alleged that judge has been paid. And we are not going to tolerate nonsense. Because not long ago, a different court, the High Court in Durban, it says that matter was not urgent. Operation Dudula, they can continue with whatever they're doing because they're just enforcing the laws. Operation Dudula is only enforcing the laws. Operation Dudula is not stopping anybody in clinics and hospitals. Operation Dudula, it is enforcing the laws. That the government is supposed to be enforcing those laws. They are failing this country because they're taking bribes. There's a video that I'm also going to show you, Bafetu, of Operation Dudula. Not accepting bribe because there was a person trying to bribe Operation Dudula. Because Operation Dudula, we're here to work. We're not here to take it to. He exposed that Indian guy. Or that Pakistan guy. I don't know what he is. But that video is going to come, Leon Abafetu. But let me play you this clip.
Why this appeal will activate our members to go to the street. We are going to schools. We are not going to shy away. We don't want foreign nationals in public schools. We are going to public health facilities. We are clear about that. We are going to make sure that we put South Africans first.
Because if we stop, we'll have more kids who will not have schools, who will not be in school classes. We'll have more people without medication. We'll still have our old grannies queuing long, standing in long queues just to get medication. We'll still have our old South Africans dying, waiting for their cancer treatment. We're going to continue with our operations. That's the reason why we're going to appeal, because when we appeal, it's going to set aside the judgment and we continue until the next set down. Because I don't think South Africans are ready for this. And if they are ready for this, they must tell us. But if they're not, then they must definitely join the struggle. Because the hype out there is that people are tired of the illegality from foreigners.
We've never stopped anyone going to the clinic. We've enforced the law. Let us get that clear. We've enforced the law in terms of the Criminal Procedure Act and the Immigration Act. Section 42 of the Immigration Act. When police came, there was a video that was trending, President, I think in Hillbrow, in Yeovil, where police intercepted. And our members had to enforce the police to arrest the criminals. That's what we've been doing. And unfortunately, we've been misplaced. Our message, because of some haters, because of some haters, deliberately calling us xenophobic nonsense, calling us vigilantes. We are not. It's because our struggle is to ensure you cannot say criminals are allowed in our country. We are inside the country. You stop criminalizing them and you saying they are legal people and start asking. We don't negotiate with criminals. Mkwanazi has told us this country is run by criminal syndicates. It's run by drug cartels. Zazokala. We are not done.
We have a syndicate of a group of people that hijack properties. They target child-headed homes. They target, our elders. So this syndicate includes banks, masters of the High Court, a deeds office, our judges. This very same judges that are giving us such judgments. Sure. Judges, sheriffs, police. And the list goes on. So it's a well-coordinated syndicate. And if you don't know your story, then you will not win. But we are having people that are being evicted from their homes on a daily basis by the same syndicate. We've reported this matter to police, the Minister of Justice, but we're not getting joy. We have become private investigators because we have investigated these matters. We know who the perpetrators are. We've submitted.
South Africa, when are you joining Operation Dudula? South Africans, when are you joining Operation Dudula? When are you going to speak against this criminality that is going on in our country? When are you going to stand with Operation Dudula? When are you going to fight for this country? The musicians, I'm a DJ, actors, community leaders, Duhoshi, Izinduna, I don't see them speaking out against what our country is going through. All of them, they're quiet. They only think about the payment they get wherever they're getting from. They only think of their bags. They don't think about the country. They don't think about the future of their children. They are failing this country.